Organic handcrafted avocado oil is rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and minerals. Let's look at 4 benefits for your scalp. It moisturizes and soothes dry scalp. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E. Avocado oil deeply hydrates the scalp, preventing dryness and flakiness. It reduces dandruff. Its anti-inflammatory properties help calm scalp, irritating, and reduce dandruff caused by dryness. It supports hair growth. Avocado oil contains biotin, vitamin D, and essential fatty acids that nourish your follicles and may promote healthier hair growth. It improves scalp circulation. The oleic acid in avocado oil can enhance blood flow to the scalp, supporting follicle health. It strengthens hair strands. The oil penetrates the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and preventing breakage. It prevents frizz and it enhances shine. The fatty acids found in avocado oil can help coat and protect the hair from pollution, environmental stressors like UV rays, and water contaminants like chlorine, notes Shab Kasparov, a board-certified trichologist. Avocado oil helps to tame frizz and promotes growth and shine and more. It's rich in essential fatty oils, biotin, vitamins A, B5, C, D, and E. It strengthens your hair, moisturizes and repairs. It stimulates blood flow. It unclogs blocked follicles and helps to prevent hair loss. And it absorbs into your skin and scalp. And the best part, it's non-greasy. Avocado oil contains monounsaturated fats that coat the hair, which help to prevent breakage. It also seals the cuticles, which strengthens the hair. And it's lightweight and easily penetrable. It protects and strengthens the strand by preventing moisture loss. It's loaded with amino acid and potassium, which helps strengthen and deep conditions your hair. Avocado oil is very emollient. The properties smooth hair cuticles and locks in moisture, creating a protective barrier. Dandruff is an overgrowth of yeast which lives on the skin. Avocado acts as an antimicrobial to decrease inflammatory and reduce yeast. And it moisturizes the scalp. For those with sensitive skin, do a patch test. It has the potential to cause an allergic dermatitis, resulting in a red, flaky, or itchy rash. Make sure to massage your hair thoroughly, coating the ends of your hair and making sure that you take care of the ends. Avocado oil is awesome for the health and the beauty of your hair. For those who rock Sisterlocks, locs, microlocs, and loose natural hair, avocado oil is perfect for you. After applying the avocado oil, make sure you protect your hair. Put your hair in a protective style. I've personally used avocado oil for the last few weeks, and I have nothing but good things to say. To add double moisture to your hair, spray it with your rose water moisturizing spray. Lift your hair and spray your scalp. Oh my goodness, this feels so refreshing. Making sure to spray your ends to keep from being vulnerable to breakage. Massage it in gently and smooth your hair for preparation of the protective style. Be gentle with your hair. This is the protective style I chose to use my Lila Rose hair clip. Make sure that you do not apply this hair clip too tight. Pull the nape of your hair down and then clip the tool so that your hair will not pull. And there you have it, the beautiful ponytail with my Lila Rose clip. Now, let's talk about using the avocado oil on your skin, and particularly your face. I use it as a night oil. It feels smooth on, and you use just a little bit. Rub it into your face really well and begin to feel how soft your skin feels. This oil is excellent to bring hydration to dry skin. Use it on your elbows and all over your body for that matter. It's very emollient and excellent for the health of your skin. I also use it for the cuticles of my fingernails. It's excellent for that. Just add a little bit to your fingernails and massage it into the cuticles. This makes beautiful, healthy nails. The product isn't out yet. This product is for special orders only at beautifulhairproducts.com.